Actis Weekly in C Chart Updates Step-by-Step Guide.
Okay, so first we need to go to chart, then ENC update report. You can see from here we are already on week 26, but currently our charts are on week 25, so we need to update this one. Just need to click close, then go to chart, then chart portfolio, create, then click yes, and wait for it to initialize. Click OK, then tool, option, go to advanced, then advanced option. You need to look for your USB where it is saved. So in my case, this is on E drive, then AVCS. Okay. Then we need to press auto detect. Then these are all the charts that needs to be updated. Click import update, then press OK. So you can see from here it is about 458 files. Completed. Click log, make sure that there are no errors. Completed. So we need to go again, check this AIO option, advanced option, and we go to AIO. Okay. Then the same procedure, click auto detect, then import update. Need to make sure as well there are no errors and all is completed. Once you are done, you press exit and exit. Just need to check if everything is in order. You need to go to chart again, ENC update report, and yes, we are now on week 26. And summary, check everything is up to date, 72 out of 72, 0, 0, 0. We have this status report as well.